So next வந்து classification of organic halogen compounds. So in the organic halogen compounds வந்து they are classified into two main types. Number of halogen compounds ஒரு compoundல எத்தனை halogens இருக்கு அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு classification. And next is hybridization of carbon attached with hydrogen. Okay, so it can be sp3 hybridization, it can be sp2 hybridization, it can be sp hybridization. So based on number of halogen compounds, it is classified into monohalo compounds and polyhalo compounds. So mono namakku nameலே தெரியுது, if it is only one halogen compound இருந்ததுன்னா, so for example இங்க வந்து we have ethyl bromide or bromoethane. So ethane we call because it has two carbon atoms. So C2H5Br, only one hydrogen is substituted by one halogen group. So it is monohalo compound. Polyhalo compounds வந்து more than 2, 3, 4. Okay, so other base panni, so that compounds are called as polyhalo compounds. So polyhalo compounds க்கு example இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது வந்து they've given trichloropropane. So trichloropropane 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 compound carbon இருக்கிறதால it is propane. இந்த carbonல இருக்க 3 hydrogen it is substituted by 3 chlorine atom. அதனால this is called as trichloropropane. Okay, so now this is now based on number of halogen compound classification. So what is the classification based on hybridization of carbon attached with hydrogen? So it is further classified into two types. அதாவது compounds containing carbon sp3, அதாவது carbon single bond with halogen. Okay, so in the bond class base பண்ணி ஒரு classification. And next is compounds classified based on the compounds containing carbon sp2 halogen bond. Okay, so this is like a carbon double bond with halogen compounds. So compounds based on classified based on sp3 hybridization. So first பார்த்தோம்னா it is example, the first one is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. So நமக்கு இந்த chapter it is based upon haloalkanes or it is also called as alkyl halides. So அதுக்கான example it is CH3I, so it is called as iodomethane or methyl iodide. So the next compound is allylic halides. So allylic halides oda example it is CH2 double bond CH2Cl. So what are allylic compounds அப்படினு பார்க்கும்போது, so allylic compounds are nothing but the compounds where the halogen group is attached to a hybridized carbon next to the carbon which is already in a double bond with another carbon atom. So this is the compound. So allyl halides, so it is nothing but the halogen group, it is attached to the carbon, that is sp3 hybridized carbon. In the carbon it is attached to carbon double bond. So this is called as allylic halide and the compound name is allyl chloride. So next example is benzylic halides. So benzylic halide, this is the structure of benzene, we know C6H6. So in the இடத்துல ஒரு hydrogen is attached to a methylene group. இந்த methylene group ஓட ஒரு chlorine atom attach ஆயிருக்கு. So a chlorine group attached to carbon which is sp3 hybridized. இந்த carbon is attached to carbon double bond. So this is benzylic halide. Example is benzyl bromide. So the other structure of benzyl bromide is this. The next one is alicyclic halides. So alicyclic halides, so we know it is nothing but a cyclic compound. So it is not an aromatic compound, it is an aliphatic compound, cyclic compound, so which is attached to a bromine atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 carbon atoms. அந்த ஒரு carbon atomல இருக்க ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கு பதிலா bromine substitute ஆயிருக்கிறதால இது bromocyclobutane. Okay, so next is compounds that is with carbon sp2 with halogen, that is C double bond the carbon which is having a double bond, so that is அது கூட attach ஆயிருக்க ஒரு halogen. So example, vinyl halide. So vinyl halide is nothing but a compound with formula CH2CHX. So CH2 double bond CHX. So this X we know it is halogen. So either it is attached to carbon with a double bonded carbon. So sp2 hybridized carbon oda bond ஆயிருக்கிறதால, so this is called as vinyl halides. So example, CH2 double bond CHI, so iodide, it is called vinyl iodide. Next one is aryl halides or haloarenes. So in the chapter we are going to see about haloalkanes and haloarenes. So haloarenes are nothing but aryl halides, that is benzene ring la. So this is benzene ring. So in the benzene ring la, we know it is C6H6 with alternate double bonds. So idhula oru hydrogen is substituted by a chlorine atom. So that is called chlorobenzene. So this is the classification of organic compounds.